Hey guys, what's up? It's Bree. Welcome back to my channel. I'm about to get ready to slay this bob, y'all. This bob is from Myfirstwig. I already know. If you are looking for any type of bob units, don't look any further. Go to Myfirstwig. When I tell you I love their laces on their unit. So I just got this out of the pack. It's kind of like a loose wave, but I already know it's going to give me the look that I'm going for. So here is the lace. It is pre-bleached, so you don't have to do much of anything. The lace go all the way back, y'all. So you could do, it come with a side part. You could do a middle part. Oh my gosh, it's gonna look so good. The hair is like butter. So this unit also come with the drawstring. It comes with the regular strap in the back, but it comes with this drawstring right here that makes your lace lay really snug to the head. Girl, this is so good. Now, if you don't wear your hair pushed back and you do it with the part on the side, all you have to do is get some type of adhesive and glue the side down, and this will be glueless. But y'all know how I wear my hair. I like my hair to be like a pushover method. So I'm not going to use a glue, but I'm going to use something like a glue. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to use. I'm going to use this bowl hold liquid gold. This is a very tight hold, but it's not a glue. Because I probably only keep this on for a couple of days. I already like my hair, y'all. It's just so grown and sexy and just effortless. Y'all know I love me a cute bob. So we're going to go ahead and put this on. I feel like I got to cut the ear tabs a little bit just so it can fit my head more. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to cut it a little bit here on the side. Oh, girl, my arms be popping. So I always just split it down the middle. Just so it can lay really nice on my hairline. So I'm going to do the same thing to this side. And then we're going to go ahead and glue it down. But you don't have to glue it down. But I do recommend that you use some type of adhesive just to keep the flaps down. But one thing about, look at that. You don't need to glue this part down because of the drawstring. But I know I want to keep my unit on for a few days. So I'm definitely going to go ahead and glue it down. So let me go ahead and cut the other half off, and I'll be right back. I'll show you guys how I quickly glue this on. This will last me for about a day or two. All you have to do is just add water and you can remove the unit. So let's go ahead and do that. So here is the unit on my head. It looks so good. You can wear it in so many different ways. It looks so natural. You cannot tell me this is not my hair. So what we're gonna do, I just did a really light baby edge. Nothing major. I still got to tie it up. But I just love how if I wanted to wear it in the middle part, I can. Side part, I can. So good. So we're going to go ahead and define the curls a little bit. I'm going to use this Curl Daughter Spray Curl Refresher. If I have some left, better. Add a little bit of water. Like that. This is so pretty. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay. Good. Okay. Spray a little bit more back here. Get powder back there. Now I'm going to take some of my favorite Bolero curl mousse. I get this from the beauty supply store. Screenshot it. I love this. If I was a natural hair girly, I would put this on my natural hair. It's so fluffy. Like, it is so fluffy. I be having a ball with this because it don't get hard. It just really defines the curls. Like, you could put so much. It's not going to get hard and crunchy. Like, it has no alcohol in it. It's so good. Okay, now that you got the product nice and saturated. Sorry about my shirt being all crazy. This is my hair little shirt. Okay. Now I'm going to take some 𝐍𝐄𝐖 styling gel. Rub it in my hand. I'm going to scrunch it up. Make sure you get all over the hair. This is just going to hold the curls even longer. Like so. Now I'm going to take my little diffuser and just blow dry this. So I'm going to fast forward this part, guys. So I am done with my hair. I'm cleaning up my mess. So my hair is pretty much fully dry, and I really, really love the way this looks. I'm definitely going to be keeping this hair on for a few days because it looks so cute and girly. Look at the back. I love the cut. Love the lace on this unit. I still got a little gel right here, y'all, but we just wash that off because that's just the lace gel. It's not the actual lace. I gotta clean it up a little bit. But it looks so good. Look at that. That looks so amazing. So make sure you guys check out Myfirstwig because she is so cute. Now you can do a little clip if you want to. You can even do a slit back ponytail if you want to go for like a slit back ponytail look. But I just think this is so cute. You could do it in so many different ways. But I love a little effortless slay. So make sure you guys check them out. Oh, this is going to be my in-between hairstyles, in between my pixie. I'm going to wear Myfirstwig, the straight bob, or this curly bob. So get prepared to be sick of me, y'all, because I like this look. It's so like, I don't know, just effortless and very chic. Love you guys. Let's get back into this video.